Okay, aloha. Another edition. And today we're going to look at Hele A. And you notice, of course, it's followed by an ʻAʻano. And another key element is that a, that ku'a, until, as far as, all the way to. And generally this matches the kind of English language when you say to become or be. And it's some kind of so-called condition, which in Hawaiian, of course, we will call a hopena, some kind of result, some kind of end result. And so English would be things like, she became sick, I will become angry, they will be, or they are getting ready. Yeah, so anything, the idea of approaching or heading towards, to become. Now, be clear now, this is not to become a thing or a noun. Yeah, so this is not to become something. Yeah, to become a police officer, to become a happy person, to become my friend. Yeah, so this is not to become a thing, but to be a certain kind of condition. Yeah, some kind of result, a hopena. And so if we look at the examples here, kamine, hele a huhuloa ke kumu. Yeah, hele a huhuloa, and of course, huhuloa, to become very angry. Now, not a very angry person, yeah, not a thing now, to be a certain condition. Hele a huhuloa, and then the piko, ke kumu, yamako. Now, like other pepeke that we know, right? Anytime you have a piko, perhaps, that is commonly a papani or pronoun. What does it like to do? Of course, but it likes to move in front, yeah, following the main po'o. So when you, especially when you negate, or in fact, even if this in fact was a papani, yeah, for example, he became very, very angry at us, yeah, hele oia ahuhuloa yamako. And again, the main thing to remember that uahele, that is the main po'o, that's the main painu. The ahuhu, or the whatever that ʻAʻano is, that is the ku'a. Yeah, so again, the main thing to remember real quickly, this is expressed similar to the idea of something becoming, a condition, a result. And therefore, hele a is the common word or phrase that's used. And not, of course, not becoming a thing. Yeah, not to become something. Okay, so let's go look at some examples, just real quickly. And just get right out to my pen here. And I took something in English, for example, like, they became sad. And so quickly we notice, yeah, the word sad, of course, that's a condition. Yeah, a hopena, an ʻAʻano. So real simply, and it happened already, yeah, hele. Now we notice that the piko, in fact, is a papani. And therefore that would write in its usual position, yeah, hele lawa. And then the word for sad, kaumaha. Hele lawa kaumaha. Now if it was something like, the girls became sad, then I know it would actually, lawa would not be here, of course. Hele a kaumaha na kai kamahine. Yeah, in this position in the back. Let's look at another example. How about I will not become maybe angry. Yeah, and so angry, of course, that is a condition, not a thing. And likewise, the same thing, ʻaole, that's your po'o. And we notice, of course, ao, that's my piko. And this expression will not, again, we're going to use the word hele, yeah, heleana, yeah, in the future imperfect. And that expression of angry, again, the condition always follows the ku'a. Yeah, so the expression, I will not Yeah, we're becoming until angry, literally. Aole wau e hele ana huhu. Just to remember, if this wasn't a papani, maybe it's going to be the man will not become angry. And of course, that idea of kekane, in fact, would be kia. Aole hele ana kekane a huhu. And simply again, remind ourselves, we're going to say this over again, this is an expression related to the English idea of to become a condition. This is not to become something. Yeah, to become something, you need to go back and study and learn about the idea of ʻŌlelo, which is to become something. Yeah. So, for example, to become an angry person, e lilo ana I kanaka huhu. The man will become angry, e hele ana ke kanaka a huhu. Yeah. So let me just kind of write that down. I just want to make sure we understand this. This is a common mistake. Yeah. The man, how about the man is getting angry? And another expression, maybe something like he is becoming an angry man. And you notice that we both have this sense of becoming or getting into that condition. The first one, again, we see that is a condition. Therefore, ke hele ne, ke kane, and that idea, a huhu. Yeah. Ke hele ne, ke kane, oh, kalau a huhu. And again, this is a condition. That's the hopena, to be angry, the state of being angry. The second one, he is becoming an angry man. So you notice he, ke hele ne oya. But we notice quickly that this is not becoming a condition. So that's why we got to pay attention. Not becoming a condition, so it cannot be ke hele ne. In fact, we realize becoming what? An angry man. And therefore, it's not going to be hele, but ʻŌlelo. And again, you need to go check up ʻŌlelo if you're not clear about ʻŌlelo. ʻŌlelo is to become a thing, to become something. Hele is being used to become a condition. Ke ʻŌlelo ne oya. And what is he becoming? And you notice this expression, an angry man. That's very different from just being angry. That's a thing. Man is a thing. That's why, therefore, it's ʻŌlelo again. And to become an angry man, I kane huhu. Now, I just want you guys to realize, if you look at this expression, I kane huhu is a thing. Ahuhu is just becoming a condition. And that's really the big difference that the people get confused about sometimes. That when you become a thing, ʻŌlelo. When you become a condition, Hele A. And those are an example. And that's it. Aloha.